Hello everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the channel where we turn ordinary houses into extraordinary homes. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you've ever looked at a standard shipping container and thought, that's cool, but could I live in it? Today is your lucky day. We are moving beyond the single box tiny home and diving into the world of multiple shipping container home designs. These aren't just industrial boxes, they are architectural marvels that prove you can scale up your creativity without compromising on style or sustainability. Let's explore how these modular giants are changing the game. At its core, a multiple shipping container home design is an architectural approach that utilizes two or more industrial steel shipping containers to create a single, cohesive residential structure. Instead of limiting oneself to the roughly 160 or 320 square feet of a single unit, this design method involves stacking, adjoining, or bridging multiple containers together. This allows for complex floor plans, multi-story living, expansive open concept areas, and the ability to define distinct zones for sleeping, working, and entertaining, all while maintaining the structural strength of steel construction. The primary benefit of choosing a multiple shipping container design is the unparalleled flexibility it offers. By connecting several units, you overcome the space limitations of traditional container living, allowing for spacious living rooms, larger kitchens, and even multiple bedrooms. Beyond space, this design approach is incredibly modular and fast to construct. Since the shell is already built, the construction process on site is significantly faster than traditional stick-built homes, reducing waste and labor costs. Furthermore, it allows for a highly customized aesthetic that blends industrial chic with modern functionality, making it a perfect solution for those seeking a unique, eco-friendly, and durable living space that can be expanded over time as your needs change. Decorating the exterior of a multiple shipping container home is where you can truly let your architectural personality shine. Because containers are inherently industrial, they act as a neutral canvas. You can soften the harsh lines by incorporating natural elements like wood decking, vertical gardens, or climbing plants that grow along the exterior walls. Consider painting the containers with high-quality, weather-resistant paints. Matte blacks or charcoals create a sophisticated, modern look, while bright, bold colors can turn your home into an artistic statement piece. Don't forget lighting. Installing modern, minimalist sconces or LED strip lighting underneath overhangs can highlight the unique modular structure at night, turning your home into a glowing sculpture in your landscape. When it comes to the best styles for multiple shipping container homes, there are a few that stand out. The modern industrial style embraces the raw steel aesthetic, leaving the corrugated texture visible and pairing it with large floor-to-ceiling glass windows to invite nature inside. The stacked contemporary style focuses on offsetting containers at different angles or heights, creating interesting cantilevered balconies and unique rooftop terraces. Finally, the rustic modern fusion is incredibly popular, where shipping containers are paired with reclaimed wood siding, stone accents, and pitched roofs. This style bridges the gap between raw industrial strength and the warm, traditional feel of a cozy suburban home, making it feel less like a box and more like a retreat. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best multiple shipping container homes design ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one that showcase the potential of this building method. One, the industrial elevated haven. This design features a dark, corrugated exterior raised on stilts, providing a commanding view while utilizing the space beneath for a shaded garden patio. 2. The garage loft hybrid. A perfect workspace and living combo. This design uses two ground-level containers for utility and garage space, topped with a stunning modern living area and outdoor terrace. 3. The yellow and blue geometric masterpiece. Utilizing bright primary colors, this home uses a central light-colored concrete tower to bridge two container wings, creating a perfect balance of color and structure. 4. The forest floor-to-ceiling retreat. This stunning home maximizes the view by incorporating massive glass walls into its black painted container structure, blending perfectly with the surrounding pine forest. 5. The glass-enclosed luxury pavilion. Featuring extensive use of glass doors and windows, this design makes the heavy steel containers feel light, airy, and transparent, connecting the interior directly to the deck. 6. The corrugated metal modernist. This design pairs metal siding with warm wooden accents, creating a high-contrast aesthetic that feels both rugged and incredibly sophisticated in a forest setting. 7. The poolside luxury box. A two-story structure perfectly positioned next to a pool, utilizing the upper level as a private sleeping area with balcony access and the lower level as an open entertainment hub. 8. The multi-level treehouse. This design is all about verticality and decks, utilizing several containers to create different platforms and terraces that allow you to live among the trees. 9. The Sunset Horizon Duplex. A dramatic design featuring two mirrored wings connected by a central glass hallway, providing unobstructed views of the sunset through high, panoramic windows. 10. The sloped roof blue aesthetic. A beautiful use of a steep, slanted roof to add height and personality to a modern blue-sided container structure, providing a unique silhouette against the sky. Multiple shipping container home design is more than a trend. It's a brilliant way to rethink residential living. Whether you are drawn to the industrial aesthetic or the sheer modular efficiency, these designs prove that we don't have to choose between sustainability and beauty. With the right design, a few steel boxes can become the home of your dreams. If you enjoyed this tour through the world of shipping container design, please hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more creative architectural inspiration. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an episode. See you in the next video.